An American dollar. Me. My senses erupted. First of all, who am I? I'm like, well, I do. Where's yours on? Yours on. Doing my July favorites. So last month I flopped and I did 2 in 1. So this month I am not flopping. Hair details are on my Instagram. Probably not anymore. Whitney Can Braid on Instagram did it. Amazing. Love it. It looks like this. If you follow me on social media, you're probably sick of this already. It looks like this on the back. Cute little Smurf hair. I'm a little Smurfy poo. So, favorites. One thing in the month is I had a horrible spray tan that went wrong. So I had like patches of spray tan like just right here. So you can still kind of see it a little bit like here. But it was like really patchy. Like I got so many comments like from my friends that were saying like sunburn, like, oh, did you sunburn? My mom asked me if I sunburned and I was like, no, I'm not outside. I don't go outside. So one of my first favorite of the month is this. I have this with, because it's like supposed to be in the shower. I bought 3 of these because they were only like $1.50 at Walmart. They're new. Foaming Sugar Scrub in Champagne Wishes. They smell so good. So it's just a sugar scrub. You can literally, oh, it smells so good. You can make a sugar scrub. Oh, I was like, you know what, this is foaming and I've never tried it and it was so cheap. So I bought it. So this helped take away, so if you have a spray tan, have like a patchy spray tan, self-tan, anything, I would recommend this. So this was like one of my saving graces from that because I got rid of it quite quickly and I literally think this, I just like soaked myself in a hot bath and I was just like scrubbing my chest like crazy. I was trying to show it to you guys up close. So I can't, obviously, because this is filled with water. So that video clip you saw when I was talking, doing the voiceover, I had to flip the clip upside down. Anyway, carrying on to okay, my top favorite of the month is definitely this. I love this. So this is by Wet n Wild. Look at how much I used of it already. Like literally, I don't know if you can see, but like, look at this. It's like down to here already. I've like used this much of it. Like they probably didn't even fill it to the top. I'm like, oh my god, look how much I used. But I got this at Dollar Tree in Minnesota, Montana. This was in my Dollar Tree haul. Love it. It's what I'm wearing right now. Super glossy. Literally $1. An American dollar make me holla. Oh my god. So I love a glossy gloss. And this one, love. I love it. Cheapness. I love cheap. I love how glossy it is. And it's not really sticky. My ColourPop ones do a similar effect to this, and they do have glitter in it, so we love that. But those are really sticky. And I like a sticky gloss, but those are really sticky. This one is more smooth, and I didn't even tell you. Wild Shine in, I remember it being in No Show, but it doesn't say that. Do you guys remember that? This is a Wet n Wild, just clear gloss, and it's in No Show. I hope it does show up. It had a name, but it doesn't have a name now. Me. And the applicator just looks like this. It's just like a cheap little applicator, but I really like it. And how does it smell? Well, I'll tell you. I don't know, like kind of vanilla, kind of flower. This water is my favorite, and if you don't like water, you need to start, okay? I can't find this I've been looking for this in my city. I brought some of these back from Montana. I'm literally gonna go to the States just to get this. So if anyone knows in my city where I can get this, I need it. Like, this is called Waiakea. It's Hawaiian volcanic water. People are probably like, you're just pulling things out of your cupboard to do favorites on. No, like this was literally one of my favorites. Deep well water. Like, this is literally the best water I've ever had. It, like, the first time I took a sip of this, I was like my senses erupted. It was like, you know, breathing for the first time. It was like I never had water before trying this. I'm literally gonna like write a love poem to this freaking water. Like, this water changed my water relationship. I have water all the time. I love water, but this one, girl, I need, like, I love this, okay? Austin's like, oh, can I have one of these to take to work? I'm like, hell no. Get your own. If you wanted it, you should have got one, right? Like, or I would have bought you one. But this is mine. Don't touch it. Like, this is sick. I don't even want to open it. Okay, next favorite of my month. is my month. If you didn't know, what the hell? Is this Clarins K. I did a TikTok. If you guys watch my TikTok, and it was a filter like showing your biggest insecurity, and I can't. I literally went out and bought an eye cream because of this TikTok. Basically, if you don't have TikTok or don't follow me, it like switch like what's your biggest insecurity, and I got this one and it literally looks exactly like me. Like I literally have dark eye bags, I have puffy eye bags. So after that TikTok, so I haven't use this that much, but I can literally already see a difference in my under eyes, and I'm really tired today. I barely had any sleep, so, but no excuses, girl. No excuses. Like, your eye bags suck. I got the $85 for this. I was literally, that TikTok, I was like, I'm going right now to buy to buy something. I don't even want to waste it. It feels like there's nothing in there. Like, it literally is so lightweight. The applicator looks like it's still on there. Like, I was trying to rip off this applicator. Oh my god, me buying an $85 product. I'm just gonna show you what the consistency is like. Only a little bit. My camera doesn't focus anyway, but like the tiniest bit I'm showing you. That's how cheap I am. This stuff apparently works wonders. So this is what the eye cream looks like. And that's what it looks like on the, well, you can't really see. Oh, it just feels so smooth. It like just smooth. I'm like, hi, do you make a lotion for my entire body? It is a total eye smooth, firming, wrinkle smoothing eye balm. So after I wash my face, I put my lotion on, and then I put a little bit of this on. And so far, in the couple weeks that I've been using it, I really like it. So, or couple weeks. Anyways, whatever, I posted that TikTok. Next favorite of the month is an oldie but a goodie, and it's the Jaclyn Hill palette. I have been reaching for this a lot lately. I've been doing my eyeliner with this. I've been using this in my inner corner, and I've been using a lot of these for like crease colors. I don't know why I haven't been doing colored eyeshadow lately, and I think this color right here is like I want to do like a green look next. I don't know what it is, but an oldie but a goodie. Next was a recommendation from a subscriber. One of you guys recommended this to me, so thank you so much, girl. I went out and got it because my last favorites video, I said I hated, I forget what mascara it was. It's called Great Lash by Maybelline. Anyways, hated it, threw it away. And then someone recommended this, and this is Pumped Up Colossal. I've had this before, but I remember I loved it before, so this is a repurchase, and love it. I love it. I wear it with like no makeup on. I've been wearing it with, where I just wear natural makeup, and this is doing all the work for me. It doesn't get underneath here, unless I'm being messy with it, but it cleans up really well. It stays on all day. It doesn't get super clumpy, but it clumps in the perfect way. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want it to be like, where is it? And you don't want it to be like, well, I do. And I love the color. It's so bright and fun. The Wandy Poo looks like this Poo. Anyways, we're gonna stop talking about shit. Pump, pump it up, pump, 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 colossal, pump, pump, pump. Imagine that was the commercial for this. No one buys it. So thank you so much for reminding me about it, because the mascara section in like a grocery store or a department store or a makeup store, anywhere, it's a little overwhelming, don't you think? Like, it's a little overwhelming, don't you think? It sounded like it started of like a Dr. Seuss book. Said the green mink to the sink. Like, what? Said the pink mink in the sink. But like, it's kind of overwhelming. There's like so many, every brand has like 8 different kind of mascaras. So thank you so much for reducing my mascara anxiety. The last physical item here I have that I loved are these makeup wipes. I ran out of makeup wipes, and literally it was the same time when I bought this. So I just went in and got some makeup wipes, and I was like, there's no makeup wipes. They were like sold out, and it was late at night, and I was like, am I like going to, lately I've been feeling like I've been in a parallel universe. You know, like people like joke about that, but like lately I've been actually feeling that, and it's scaring me, bitch. There was like no makeup remover wipes, and then I went the next day to the same store to just grab something quick, and the shelves were like full of makeup wipes. I was like, something's going, anyway. And then they said they were new, and I swear I've seen these before, so I don't know. I need to stop drinking so much sugar, I think. Maybe the caffeine's getting to me. They say new, but I swear I've seen these, but maybe I haven't. Okay, maybe it's just like just a familiar packaging, but there's so much in here. They stay really moist. This closure seal thing is very closure-y. Like, it stays, bitchy stays. So these are Nivea 3-in-1 cleansing wipes. Removes even waterproof makeup for dry skin. These ones were specifically for dry. 40 wipes. I feel like that's a lot. 40 days of makeup? Like, I don't wear, these are gonna last me like months. Like, we love these. And it literally, I'm like, I like gel down my brows. Sometimes my other makeup wipes I would have to like scrub, hence the eye bags, like because I use really good setting powder and concealer, so at the end of the night I'm like so these are like a bye, we'll do the work for you. Like literally I'm gonna like lose muscle mass in my arm because I don't have to go like this anymore. Well, I mean sometimes I go like You're done. You're done. My favorite movie of the month, 100% is Black Phone. I was talking to a subscriber last night. Sometimes I'll like DM you guys. Sometimes. I get so many DMs, like sorry. Some people get mad if I don't see them. When I get to them and open them, I don't see them all. I literally have, and I'm not exaggerating, like thousands of DMs. Sometimes I'll go through and like just click one and then reply. And it was yesterday, yeah, it was literally yesterday. I was talking to a girl. She asked me for horror movie recommendations, and I said Black Phone, and she said saw it, hated it, and I was like, okay, well kindly unfollow me then, and then we became friends because it was funny. But anyways, Black Phone, only person I met who doesn't like it. Bye to her. And I know she's watching this. Black Phone, oh my god, I saw it in theaters with my mom. I immediately came home, put it on my Fire Stick, and Waston watched it and really liked it. That'd be the name of the Dr. Seuss book. That's the name of the pink mink in the sink. Waston. First of all, who am I? So, love it, love it, love it. I'm not gonna give spoilers away. If you love horror movies, psychological horror movies, thrillers, it's more of a thriller, I'd say. It's so good. In the middle of it, I was kind of like, is this gonna start being dumb? Because like there were some kind of things that were I was like, is this gonna be a dumb movie? But it turned out so good. I loved the movie. I love Ethan Hawke anyway, and it just was so good. It just was so good. So I love it so much. Okay, I'm adding this in. I was just cleaning up, but I forgot to say what I hated in the month. I hated this. I hated this. I think I even talked about it on the vlog channel. I'm like crying. I'm trying to do my eyeliner. Also, this eyeliner sucks. I hate it. Sorry, I hate it. It's gonna be in a July, because I do a July favorites video. It's gonna be in the hate. I was like, I hate this. I hate this. Okay, I bought this e.l.f. Intense ink eyeliner. I love e.l.f. makeup. I love e.l.f. concealer, gloss, lip everything. They're liners. This particular one is a nightmare for me. Might work for you. I just don't like it. I thought I was buying my regular e.l.f. eyeliner. No, this one sucks. So it's literally a marker, okay? And it looks like, ugh. Of course it's gonna appear, but do you see how it's like not consistent? Probably because of the way I swatched it. But it doesn't show up dark or thick, and you try to build it, and the way that this is, it goes skinny, that like you can't really get, because you want to curve it. This has no like flexibility to it, and if you blink, it automatically goes on your lid, and it's a nightmare. So I did not like that. I'm literally throwing it away after this. Don't like it. One tier, you will literally look like Cruella de Vil or some shit. Like, I didn't like that at all. Buy any other e.l.f. eyeliner. And maybe I just got a bad one. I don't know. Black is black. Okay, girl, like, bye. Favorite song of the month? Didn't have one. Literally didn't have one. Listening to Austin's stupid music all day. We've been taking his car a lot, and when I'm driving, I don't for some reason like listening to music anymore. I feel like I'm becoming my dad. You know, you realize when you're becoming your parents. Like, I just like sit there and listen to like the sounds of the world. Anyways, that sounds tragic. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching this favorites video. What favorites did you like? Give me suggestions on Twitter, just like the mascara. You gave me that suggestion, and that was a loud clap, girl. I can't do it again. Who claps like this anyway? Anyways, I hope you have a good day. Bye, guys.